Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to guide you through managing multi-factor authentication for your Microsoft 365 email users. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a powerful security feature that requires you to verify your identity every time you sign in by entering a code sent to your phone. It can help keep your Microsoft 365 email account safe from unauthorized access. It's important to note that adjusting this setting requires administrator permissions. Now let's get started. To access the multi-factor authentication page, please visit link.godaddy/msmfa in your browser's address bar. Then, sign into Outlook on the web with your Microsoft 365 email address and password. To turn on MFA for a specific user, select the checkbox next to their name. You can select multiple users at once. Above the list of users, select Enable MFA. In the confirmation window, select Enable. MFA will be enabled for the selected user. You may need to refresh the page for the status to change to enabled for that user. Select the checkbox for the same user. Select Enforce MFA, and then select Enforce. Once MFA is enabled, the user will be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication when signing into their email. They can use either the Microsoft Authenticator app or text message as their sign-in method. To turn off MFA for a specific user, select the checkbox next to their name, select Disable MFA, and then select Disable. You may need to refresh the browser to reflect the changes. And that's how you enable and disable MFA. I'm Emily. Thanks for watching.